In this video, let's understand how we can use the count formula in a different situation. Right, there are multiple ways to use the count formula. I'll explain to you one by one in this video. For that, I have taken a sample worksheet. We'll try to use the count formula to count the number of staffs. Count formula is used to count the number of cells where there are values or numbers, right? So it doesn't count where the cell has entries like the names or anything. So it counts only where there is numbers. So that's why you got the value as 0 when you use the formula. So in order to avoid that, you need to use the formula called count A. So let's go in detail the other two options, which are count A and count blank. Count A means it counts the number of cells where there are entries, irrespective of numbers or the names or the details. It counts everything if there is entries in the cells. So we'll see in detail how it captures the data with an example and later on this video. Now next formula is count blank. As the name stands for, it counts the number of blank cells which is available, which is on your sheet. So whatever range you're selecting, if there are blank cells, you can count it accordingly. We'll see it in detail while you're using as an example and later on this video. Now let's see how we can calculate the number of cells or the count of the cells. So for that, I'm using the formula count A and open the bracket. Now I need to select the cells which I want to count. So I'll select the entire 1000 cells. Okay, and after that I close the bracket. So you can see the number of cells is shown as 1000. Now let's delete one of the items from this list, right, and see what's going to happen. See, it's automatically detecting the blank cell, so it doesn't count if there is no value in the cell, right? So I hope you understand this now. Okay, so even if you enter numbers, it will be counted. So the values, any values in the cell will be counted in this using this formula. So I hope you can use this formula and count your number of cells. Now let's see how we can calculate the number of blank cells. If you have number of blank cells in the Excel sheet, so if you want to count it, use this formula, number of to count blank cells. Select the range and you'll get the number of blank cells. For example, you can delete one of the entries and try to look at the numbers it's showing. So if I delete one and it shows us 1,